Good day, everyone. I'm Currency Geek, and welcome to my day 20 video of the 100 days of technical analysis. This is like a big day for me. So let's get right into it. Today USD DKK caught my interest. That's the US dollar and the Danish krone. Let's get right into it. We can actually see from the previous print of price. You can see this has been on a major uptrend. That's creating series of higher highs and higher lows, 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 and created its last area of structure. Yeah. So we can see there was a massive move to the downside and it broke structure year and year. So it broke structure year and broke structure year and also broke structure year. But if we do look closely, we can see that this is an equal low, like right here is an equal low. So um we do know we do know that when price breaks structures, there is a huge tendency of it to retrace or move back to the area of structure before projecting further. And also if we do look at this current structure of price, right? Yeah, current structure of price right here, we can see well that's an M pattern formation, and mostly on all of my videos I've been explaining these concepts like crazy. There is a tendency it will retrace back into the neckline before projecting down further. So I'll look to take a move on this long to the upside. So I'm actually looking to major in on USD DKK moving long to the upside. Knowing this well, and also knowing that price is actually at a current area of structure, yeah, with weeks rejection everywhere. This is actually a good opportunity to major in on this trade. My target will be the neckline. I'll switch to a line chart to actually get to pinpoint this. Okay, brilliant. So the neckline here. Okay, the target is the neckline. So just neckline. Then I'll go to the daily chart to get more sentiment. So there is a zone around here down to this there is a zone around here down to this level. Yeah, so I can actually pick this out and mark it as a zone. Okay, my box tool, and yes, so this is a zone, and we can see in this zone we had inside bar candlestick pattern here, which this is actually a bullish sentiment that there is a huge tendency that price will take out this value high. Yeah, there's a huge tendency price will break out this value high, something like this, before projecting up. So knowing that we have this inside bar candlestick pattern, this actually serve as a confluence to go long on this trade. That's long back into the neckline. And also if I do pick out my trend line, we can see closely that price actually moving into this trend line with a huge tendency of breaking out, because we have this bull momentum right here. So it's actually a two-way thing. It might break out to the upside and go for a retest of this area of structure. And besides, we have area of fair value gaps around here. So knowing that we have area of fair value gaps around here, it needs to, or price actually needs to close this area of fair value gaps. So there is a huge tendency for a bull run to the upside before we drop back down to the downside. So knowing that we have these factors on here, um I'll be monitoring this high right here. If price does move above it, then I'll look to go long, like look to go long on USD DKK. So knowing that we have this high here, and we can see it has been creating series of higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher low. So I expect another higher high, then a higher low back into this area of structure right here before we look to previous. So I'll be looking to monitor price action at this area right here. So if it does break this value high and come back for a retest, I will look to major into this area, like to buy back into this area. Now to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we can actually see that price is doing something amazing. Now look at this. We had an impulse to the upside, a correction to the downside, an impulse to the upside, a correction to the downside. Now a current impulse with this little structure here, which looks like a bull flag. This little structure right here looks like a bull flag. Knowing that this little structure here looks like a bull flag, it's actually a heads up that there might be a massive move around the corner to the upside. That's a huge move, possibly around the corner to the upside. So this known to me, I'll just look to possibly set an alert around here. If it does break, then I move higher. I'd expect a retest back to this level before we project higher. So knowing that we have an impulse and correction pattern with the last level broken and price closing below it, but coming actually to move higher with a bull flag pattern form is actually a good indication that we are doing the right thing on the chart. So going to the 1 hour time frame now to gather more confidence. Like I said, it is a bull flag formation. It hasn't taken out this low, so it's still a bull flag formation with a huge tendency of price projecting higher to the upside. Now, this should be around a feel good amount of pips. So let's just try to check how many pips would be catching on this. So oh, wow, I can't really see clearly. Okay, let's zoom right into it, and that's around 1.2k pips. So yeah, so that's just my sentiment on USD DKK, and I hope you do understand how I got the sentiment on looking to go long on it. Um we just have to understand that we have to be reactive to the market and not predictive, because it's the market. Like I said, it's a two-way thing. It goes in your direction or against your direction. You just have to like major in and accept the fact that they are called high probability setup and not high expectation setup. So please do drop a comment in the comment box down below if you have a sentiment in alignment or against my sentiment, and also please do like and follow. Thank you.